YouTube marketing strategy. There's a unique monthly visitor 1 billion and 100 hours of videos are uploaded every minute. And there is another thing is YouTube reaches more US adults ages between 18 to 34 than any cable network. And also one point is 6 billion hours of videos are viewed every month and 50% increase in 1 year. YouTube marketing strategies, we have such of useful materials about the YouTube marketing strategies and other materials of video marketing such as video marketing tips, video marketing tools, video marketing sites. There's another thing is if you need top free materials below, please visit then videomarketingaz.com, and you can also have such of tips. I will give you top 20 tips for video marketing, top 31 sites to upload your videos, top free 7 tools for video marketing content for you, number of ways to promote and market your small business YouTube videos. When it comes to marketing and promoting your small business in YouTube videos, follow these 12 basic strategies. So, before we start the video, you have some account in YouTube and you can make the content, and after that content how to spread it and how to make more traffic, more viewers and more clicks on the particular content or video. So we start by using the tools available directly through YouTube. For example, provide a details and accurate title and description to each of your videos and associate tags, keywords that are directly relevant. Then your video marketing will be start to boost. So second step is use a call to action within your videos to encourage people to like, rate, comment on and share your videos. So it should be engage with the people and they are keep talking about that videos, and they are thinking about to share it to their friends or relatives. So in that sequence your videos will be grow up and you can get more traffic and likes and viewer. And then we start with the step 3, the begin by promoting your videos to the people you know and increase your real life friends, relatives, customer and clients. Ask these people to watch your videos and share them with their online friends. So this is the step by step procedure and to reaching your target and goals to make the business. And then we are in step 4, take advantage of the power and capabilities of the online social networking site to promote your videos. As a spokesperson for your company, for example, become active on Facebook, Google, Twitter, as well as other relevant services. Be sure to create an online presence of your business on Facebook and or Google Plus, and then use that presence to promote your videos. Then we are going step 5, incorporate your videos into your own company's website and blog. So the existing website viewer or subscriber, there comes to your website and they will click over there also and then reach to the YouTube, and then you can get the more viewers. And after if they take a view of your videos, then they will do the likes or share, or they make some comments on the particular video. And then we start off 6, share links to your videos with your existing customer or clients via optional in mail. So this is another way to market your videos. Like you can make a newsletter, or you can make a link spread by through emailer system. So you can do the bulk emailing system to reach people. So this is another step to get business and promotion of your uh, product and service what you are offering. Then we start with step 7. Use public relations techniques such as using press release to contract bloggers, editors, reporters, and producers in order to generate free media coverage for your videos in mainstream media, as well as in blogs that cater to your target audience. Then we just go in step 8. Get your videos and your YouTube channel page listed with the major search engine, including Google, Yahoo, and Bing. And then focus on SEO strategies to get the best possible listing placement to get more traffic. So the SEO strategies, there has two strategies. One is on-page SEO strategies, and there is another off-page strategies, like you can do in your website also. So in video there has a similar something, and there is a something is unique. You have to know about how to do the SEO in your particular video content. So the thing is that to video marketing strategies, you have to know about the SEO, such of part of ACM, SMM, social media management, search engine marketing also. So yeah, then you can get more traffic and more viewer of your particular videos. Try to then it is comes in step 9. Try to collaborate on videos with other companies that are already utilizing YouTube effectively, and that are targeting the same audience, but that are not in direct competitions with you. So you have to know about that your product and service what you are actually in. So you have know about full information about your service, and when you are collaborating to other companies, so they are into the same business or relevant business, you have to know about the things like a trainer, body trainer. So the body trainers in that companies is collaborate with the muscle gain product or something. So it should be the relevant business companies where you can get a business and to and catch up with them on same relevancies type of field. So these are the things you have to target some good companies, a collaboration, and then this will allow to capture the attention of your collaborators, viewers, and subscriber. And then we just start with step 10. The start promoting your YouTube channel within your company's printed catalog, brochure, and sales materials, as well as within its existing traditional advertising. So it's a kind of print media when you can start promoting your YouTube channel. So after it's online and offline, both side you are getting benefits, and you getting the audience and target the people to to reach your content in YouTube. So there's another. This is another way to get the traffic, get the viewers, the people they are talking about your product, service, and what you are offering. And after that, we are comes into 11th step, where you can consider playing for keyword advertising on Google, Yahoo, Bing, and Facebook. Google AdWords for video is are a very cost effective and powerful tool for promoting YouTube videos. So you have to go for Google, Yahoo, Bing. Before that, you have to make an account over there, and after that, you have to putting some channels over there, and after that, you have to put some budget to what you are affording. So these are the key points you have to know about that what will be the CPC, and what is the budget you are allocating for the particular to reach the particular audience. So these are the strategies you can make it in Google AdWords and Yahoo Bing and Facebook. So you can then reach the audience. In Facebook, you can also the get engage the people. You have to make a page on the particular content, and you just put your videos, and after that you just promoting the page to the surrounding people, or it should be the organic, or it should be the paid ad. So these are the keys factor to get more traffic, more business, and services you can get from there also. And then the finally the 12th step, if you have the budget, hire a YouTube video marketing company to help you plan and implementing an online promotional campaign for your videos. This is the expert will be there, and they will guide you properly to make a good business and from your content in YouTube. So they are the expert, and they have a good knowledge, and they are working on particular things in particular things. So they have a good knowledge and strategies, and they are R&D on particular video marketing. So video marketing. So these are the keys where you can get the more traffic. So we can give some of tips to the audience, like the tips is you can say that when you use the appropriate keywords in your titles, you are more likely to show up on search engines when people are searching your topics. And remember, Google owns YouTube, so there is a story connections between video and searching. Let you know in video marketing tips, the make your title count just like a headline to a blog post. And then video titles can pull powerful traffic. There are two main reasons where the title is so important. One, a great title can instantly grab a viewer attention. And there is another thing is provide the excellent content. Take some times to think about your ideal viewer. What do you know that they will find valuable? So this is the thing you can take it is in a tips, like what can you teach them and how to. The videos are extremely successful because not only do they offer great value to your viewer, but also you are able to showcase your knowledge and skill, thus positioning yourself as an expert. This is key as you continue to grow your brand. Include, we can give you the tips 3, and it is include your URL in your video. When you edit your video, take advantage of the different editing features. One easy feature is to add a text box to your video. This is where you can display your website address, and it is a great way to get exposure. Here is a screenshot of in an example in Mary Smith's YouTube channel. So you can YouTube that notice how she used a text box in her video to display key information, including her website URL and the end of her video. Smart move. So this is the simple things I will do, and they'll get a lot of viewer, and this is a unique idea. Actually, this is a unique idea, or this is you can say this is a one kind of tips. So we can start in tips number 4. Take advantage of videos branding opportunity for branding purpose. Have your company logo displayed prominently somewhere on the screen. You can do this at all time or during key times in your video. In the image below, notice how the company's logo is displayed in the upper left corner. You can display your logo throughout your videos or only at key times in video marketing. So actually, so you can go in YouTube and you can search it the place where you can see the display of logo or the company's logo is comes in font. So is thumbnail you have to do it in proper way to make the content should be clear, and it should be giving a message to read me or to catch me like something. So the tip number 5, always provide an HTML links when you post on YouTube. You have the option to write a short description of your video. Always start with the links you want to drive your viewers to show you don't miss this key opportunity. Here is a snapshot of the description boxes from one of your YouTube videos. So you can see in that snapshot that how to the description box is in place. So notice the placement of your website URL. It is the first things you want to put in the box, and the keywords I use in my title as well as the description. So is important. The title and description should be in will be there. So tips 6, go beyond YouTube. Most people post their videos on YouTube. In addition to this, make sure to always embed your videos on your own website. This will increase the amount of time people spend on your website and help grow a captive audience. Also, Google's algorithm consider how many times a video is viewed, and embedded video views you receive get added to the views tally on YouTube. So this is important for showing up in Google search result in the video marketing. So these are the things I'll give it to you. So the thing is that there's a lot of strategies to do for the marketing. Uh, these are the steps to follow. First of all, the 12 step. I already let you know the 12 step, 12 strategies, and there is some tips by which you can get success to get business of your product service what you are offering.